Hey everyone, I'm back, and today is going to be round 2 with Tallow 2 of the Dapper Dragon lathering test. So I've had some warm water just setting inside of here. Gonna pour that out. Don't want anything in there. And same brush, just different model on the handle. But as far as the knot and everything are concerned, it's still a grooming company. And this is the Buffalo Bill, the one that is in red. So for this one, just to talk a little bit about this brush compared to what I commented about as far as the QC on the Packer edition, the green and yellow swirl. On this one, right off the bat, I can tell you that the knot is set in the brush straight as far as what the glue bump tells me here. Also, there is no noticeable glue coming up the fibers here like there are on the Packer edition one that I have. Also, the whole handle passes QC. This one is smooth all around. There's no pitting anywhere. On the other one there was pitting here. There's no pitting on this one at all. So the QC on this particular handle is much higher. The setting of the knot much higher than the other one. So other than that, it feels the same this way. And that's all I got on that. Now, again, it'll be the EJ head and the same blade. This will be the second use of the Supermax Platinum, and the model is the 3D14 that has the diamond pattern laser engraved handle. Very nice. So just like they recommend with their brush, warm water, run it through the knot, and shake out the excess. Nothing left. And let's go ahead and lather. Another face lather, just using the brush light across it, which I did in my first test with the Badger brush, and the instructions that come with these brushes in the little black pouch recommend the same. So that's how this will be ran. And again, my goal is to lather this the way I would want to lather it versus the first test, which was taking a controlled sample size and seeing how well it did that way. And again, what I am noticing is that the proto lather is becoming creamy quite quickly as compared to the first test. So I'm going to go a little bit longer. Alright, so that's what I'll go with right there. Again, 2.5 passes, and I got about 2 days of growth. Haven't shaved since Sunday evening, and it's now Wednesday evening. Alright, so I'm going to wet my face real quick. Alright, I'm back. And again, I don't want running drippy water. I just want a moist face already washed beforehand, so face is clean. Alright, here we go. Again, this is the coconut lime verbena, and I think it smells pretty darn nice. You can smell the coconut in it. You can smell the lime. To me, the coconut smells real. It doesn't smell like an artificial coconut. And as you can tell, the texture is a lot creamier and a lot denser than the first go around with this same tallow, and also compared to tallow number 1. This is a lot pastier right now. I'm going to have to definitely add water just so that we have a good lather here. I can tell right now there's going to be a lot of creamy goodness popping out of this. Just want to work it into the lather a little bit more. To me, the Tallow 2 seems to be a little bit thirstier to get to the yogurty consistency. Look at that, guys. Very nice, Eric. All right. Creamy goodness. Can tell already just the second day with this blade plus the day off of shaving in between has really helped. Especially coming off the aggressive straights. Alright, look at that, guys. Nice and hydrated, good sheen, very creamy, very nice. Right. Much creamier than it was the first go round. Nice and dense, but willing to still let the blade glide through there. Slick. Alright, so I'm going to continue on, and I'll be back intermittently to make comments. Alright, be back. Alright, I'm back, and what I can tell you is that very slick after that first pass and just rinsing off debris, not a full washing type rinse. Alright. Again, this has coconut in it, and I am not feeling any type of burn or anything like that. So that's always a good sign. And I'm going to finish up this and lather up for my last half touch up, even though it would be my whole face, and I'll be back with comments. Thanks. All right, one comment I want to make is, as I was going through that second pass, the lather had a really excellent glide to it. I mean, it was just going across my face into areas that I'm a little bit more sensitive, on my chin and lip area, and it was really slick. So it felt a lot better than the Tallow number 1 did to me in performance with the glide so far. Post shave, it's not all the way at the end, but just in between passes, this is really soft. It's like one of those just touching the face, like, wow, that feels really good. So that's what I'm noticing right now. Again, I'll be back. Okay guys, I just wanted to do a quick comment just to show this is what I'm doing. This is what's on my face. This is how the brush looks right now. Very good hydrated look about it. So I'm ready to rock and roll on this last touch up half pass, but again, just lathering the whole face just to see what's in the brush and how it's being distributed, and it feels really good. I'll be back. Alright, so it's the end of the shave, and it felt great. It felt so good that I went ahead and did a little bit more than what I planned. And basically it turned out to be a 3-pass shave. Went twice across the grain, just different directions, and yeah, so it feels really good. Post shave is excellent, like it was the first round with the Tallow number 2. The same thing this round with Tallow number 2. Post shave feels great, and here's what the puck looks like in there. I haven't done anything with it, so I didn't get it all sudsy or anything. I just used the creamy proto lather that came up. This is what's left in the brush, and as you can tell, it's looks really nice. Still has a really good hydrated sheen about it. Bubbles are still really tight, meaning it looks like cream rather than just bubbly air. And let's see what's in here. Alright, again, not noticing anything running down the hand, so that means it was able to handle the water that was added to it. And the brush is pretty much emptied out. Here's what we got. Nice, whippy, like a yogurt or a heavy whipped cream. Just really, really nice, guys. Still slickness in there. Really cool. Liking this. I would say it does well and noticeably better than Tallow number 1, at least in my experience. The slickness is there. Now tomorrow's going to be with Dapper Dragon signature Dapper Dragon, and I'll see if I'm feeling this with that, just to kind of remind myself. Dapper Dragon's pretty slick, has pretty good post-shave qualities about it, so right now this is like that is just nice. It's like I said, like yogurty, almost like if you took a marshmallow and just started to melt it, like what you would be able to push through. Very nice, very rich. The scent just smells great. Alright, rinse my hands off real quick. And very slick. Sorry about the water. Alright, and dry them real quick. And I'm back. So, tallow number 2 seems to be going really well. So if that becomes an option, then I think a lot of people will be pleased with it, Eric. So thanks again, all, and I'll be back with Dapper Dragon's signature scent probably tomorrow because I feel really good right now. Not noticing any irritation. All right, guys. Bye.